Hello everyone!
I'm Valerie.
And Christina from Queen of Hearts Get Your Cakes. Hashtag
Team Buttercream! Okay, well today is the day that we are finally unveiling our stand mixer and oven partner.
Yes, so a couple of days back, we actually posted a teaser and we made you guys, guess who's going to be our oven stand mixer partner.
It's so stunning
and so stylish. Yes. What else?
And so beautiful.
Yes, and we just love this brand from the beginning. We actually have the same brand for our toaster.
Maybe they now know.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, toaster and what's the other one?
Kettle. Yes.
And hopefully after today, we can get a couple more of their brands.
Yes.
I mean, more items of their brand.
All right. Well, without further ado, dun dun dun. Ta-da! So yes, thank you so much, Smeg Philippines.
Yes.
For gifting us this super sweet stand mixer.
Actually, guys, believe it or not, we haven't opened this box.
Yes.
I mean, totally opened this box. We took a peek,
Yes.
we just a little random picking on what's inside, but we haven't really opened it all in one go.
Yeah, well, it came with just the typical brown box, but of course, and it doesn't look good on camera, so we took it off, but that's the only thing that we did. But we will unbox it together.
Yes, but the oven is actually already installed and nicely fitted in our kitchen, and so it's on our table today.
Yes, and it doesn't fit here anyway.
But
it'll be covered.
Yeah.
It doesn't. I mean, it wouldn't fit because I will be too short and you won't see me. So I don't want that.
Either without the oven, you are short actually.
Yes. Anyway.
But anyway, can you promise them that you're actually going to still show them the
Yes,
oven?
of course. We have taken some clips, some videos, and then we will show it to you. How exciting! We are very excited to actually do a lot of projects with our brand new.
I can't actually wait to bake in a brand new oven.
Yeah.
Yes. Brand new oven and mix a lot of buttercream using this baby right here.
Yes. And so yeah.
Let's do it together.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So shall we do it part by part or?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So first, what is this? Oh,
instruction manual.
Yeah. Quick guide.
Yeah.
Christina will read this.
Yeah, it depends, Valerie. Which language do you prefer to use? Is that French, Danish, Netherlands, Spanish?
You will be taking care of reading them, so, yeah.
That's true.
Choose your language.
That is 100% correct.
Okay,
She never reads any instruction manual.
Yes. Okay, so this is one paddle attachment.
Well, guys, can you actually guess what is the color of this mixer?
Well, they could see because there is like a tiny dot outside.
Is there?
Yes. See, she doesn't know because we just took this out from the box. But anyway.
This is going to be quite heavy.
Okay, well, let's just slide it down, I think.
Yeah, make sure it doesn't fall.
There you go. And you can pull that out.
Why do I get the hard bit?
Ah! There you go.
Hang on. Okay, carry on.
There you go. Oh, we don't have scissors.
It's okay. There's one attachment here.
It's a dough hook.
A dough hook.
Yes, comes with a dough hook.
For a naughty Valerie.
There
you
she
go.
is.
Can you see us smiling, guys? Do you look happy? Is it obvious? You're gonna fold it away. Take care of that.
Okay. Good.
So these ones, they're practically going to the bin because obviously we will just never stop using this baby right here.
Go.
Well, I've got a very important question for you, Valerie.
Yes.
Was it on your wish list to have a white smeg mixer?
Honestly, I wanted cream.
Yeah, because our kettle and our
Only
toaster
because
is also cream.
Yeah, only because of that reason.
Yeah.
But white fit with any color anyway, and white is practically the color of our house.
And white is the color of my heart.
Wow. Okay. There you go.
And look how lovely it is, guys. That it comes with the glass bowl. So in all our videos, in all our contents, you will see what is cooking inside the bowl.
Okay.
Do you know how to operate this thing?
Not yet.
There
There you go.
It's so shiny.
Yes, we've never had a glass bowl before,
Yeah.
so this one is just perfect. Because watch out, guys, we will literally be doing a lot of contents for you, and plus our Metro channel, our own TV show, it's gonna re-air again, and so watch out for that as well.
Yes.
Oh my God, look at this. It's revolutionary.
We have worked on different, almost all sorts of brands of stand mixer, but we haven't really came across with a design with something like this.
Yeah, I think it's genius, because you know how hard it is to, like when you're beating something, it's so hard to get your spatula in between the paddle.
Yes, and I always tell Valerie, whenever she questions, some attachments or some tools, I always tell her there will always be a science behind, behind these attachments, behind these tools. Why are they made up to look like this? So yeah, do you understand it now?
Yeah, I know. Well, it's definitely for convenience.
Yeah.
There.
It's
and
huge.
Yeah, it is good.
It's heavy.
There you go.
It can easily fit 2 batches of buttercream. I can see it now.
Here, it's so pretty. So it is about 2.5 liters capacity.
Yeah.
So this is quite big.
Yeah.
There you go.
And forgive our curiosity, guys, but
is it that one?
No,
or this one? What is
it?
There you go.
So you have to press here and then pull up. And when you want it to close it again, you press it and then you stretch it up and then
pull down.
Push.
There you go.
So it can go from low speed all the way to number 10. 10.
Okay,
yeah.
So let's gather everything. Now we've got the whole box included your dough hook, your whisk, and ta-da! The other beater.
Yeah.
The paddle attachment, and of course the other one, which is the genius one.
Yeah. So I guess we will be using all of their attachments actually.
Looks like it.
Looks like
yes.
It. I love the bowl.
Yes.
Can you actually get me another bowl of this?
We might actually get
or a
one more
stainless
bowl.
bowl.
Yeah, or a stainless one.
Yeah.
But it's so pretty. Didn't we tell you it's so stunning?
No. So stylish.
Yes, indeed. Well, Smeg is definitely known for both of that. Absolutely stunning and absolutely stylish. It has got a retro vibe, which we love. And
it has got a very powerful mechanism as well.
Yes.
So it can actually stand, whatever sorts of mixes that you're going to do, be it buttercream, be it cake mixes, be your cookie doughs, be your local
cake
breads, anything, Smeg will take care of it. Well, we will do a lot of contents anyway, so yeah.
Okay, well, we are very excited. Thank you once again, Smeg Philippines.
Thank you.
Yeah, for gifting us this super lovely stand mixer. And later on you will see our oven. And
it's extra stylish as well.
Yes.
Can you say extra stylish 10 times?
It's extra stylish. And by the way, guys, what do you suggest? We should name our new member of Queen of Hearts Tier Cakes.
New member of Team Buttercream, actually.
Yes. So what shall we name her? If you guys could comment below some suggestions for the name, and we will choose one.
Yes. So what's gonna happen now?
And now, of course, here is our Smeg oven.
There you go, guys. We hope that we got you extra excited and extra happy with us today.
Yes, and once again, we can't thank you enough, Smeg Philippines, for gifting us this super lovely stand mixer, and of course our gorgeous oven.
Advanced birthday gift, advanced Christmas gift.
Yes, indeed.
Belated Happy Valentine's gift.
I know what I will get you for your birthday, though.
Oh my gosh.
Yes?
It's work, I'm sure. What are you gonna
it's
get
what?
Me? Work.
Work?
What are you gonna get me for my birthday?
No, I'm gonna get you the cover for this.
I knew it. Well, actually, yeah, I'm gonna get you another one for your birthday as well.
Another one?
Another Smeg product. No, another Smeg product.
I thought she's gonna give me another Smeg stand mixer. I really don't mind, you know. I maybe you can get me the cream if you wanted to give me another one. Or I'll give you a bowl, an extra bowl.
I'm not complaining, guys. Anyway, guys, please do check out their store as well. They do have online store, they do have physical shops, and you will see, you know, how tempting to visit all their physical shops. We love it. We love it there.
Yes, yeah? So pretty, so aesthetic. We've been to the one in near IKEA.
And there's one in Makati as well.
Yes.
And we've been one in SM Mega Mall. And we've been to a couple of shops back in London as well. Remember, there's one in Covent Garden.
Yes, of course.
Where, you know,
so pretty.
It's a very touristic area, but whenever we go and visit, it's just more shop that we cannot resist, you know, going in.
We dreamed about this before, and now it's part of our growing family. So yes. I'm really happy. We are really happy.
Very happy, beyond excited, and yeah, beyond happy actually.
Okay, all right.
Well, we'll see you soon on our next videos and next contents.
Yes, and you will definitely see all our new members, which we don't have a name yet. Yes. So our stand mixer and our oven. Give them a name, please. Comment down below. See you guys.
Thank you, everyone. See you. Thank you, Smeg.
Bye.